So me and my son went out to dinner tonight. And we seen this old couple. They was so cute. And the older couple, she was like, baby. He was like, yes, yes, Pearl. She's like, honey. He's like, yes, baby. She says, you still make me smile after all these years. And he was like, what, mama? He called her mama. I was like, he was like, what, mama? She was just like, what made you be a good man to me after all these years? He says, because I believe in 4 different laws. The first law was never to mistreat a woman because that is your strength and your backbone. His mama taught him that because she seen what she went through with his father. 2, he says, do not make a decision on your own. Even though you're the man of the household, you still got to respect your wife's word. Now, when she starts to do the most with it, then that's when you stand up on 10 toes and you make that decision. 3, you make sure you provide. Most men think that's just money. You provide feeling, emotion, security, understanding, space, love, affection, and attentiveness. Child, I was in my emotions and my feelings because I love elders' wisdom. I just love it. Then he stated, only a man that is in fear of being powerful is scared to communicate, because that means you are allowing fear to defeat your mentality. You only allow fear to defeat what you are telling people, that you are a strong man. How are you strong when you're letting everything around you defeat you? She was like, baby, but what's the 4th one? He says the 4th one is, no other woman mattered to me like how you mattered. He said, I had discipline. It was just certain traps that I did not feel like I wanted to be in. He didn't believe in getting caught up in the rabbit hole of things and having open-end conversations to where women felt comfortable. He said he always wanted to make sure she was secure, because when she's secure, he is secure. Because he said, a woman cheats because she's unhappy and she's finally tired. It's retaliation. A man does it out of greed and no discipline.